Namaste everyone, I am Ritu Kaushal, your friend, and it is very beautiful to feel your existence with me always. As you can see in this picture, the first man with the spectacles is Dr. Mikao Usui. Second one is in the middle, Dr. Hayashi, and finally Madam Takata. These three peoples are a sacred pillar of Usui Reiki system. Usui Reiki system is a mother of all Reiki systems, and Dr. Mikao Usui is the founder of this beautiful system. Dr. Hayashi and Madam Takata both gave a beautiful contribution to spread and develop Reiki for everyone. Usui Reiki Grand Mastership is the last stage of Reiki learning. Here we learn from Usui Reiki level 4 to level 20. These all levels have symbols, and each symbol has own healing area related to human personality and traits. Dr. Mikao Usui gave only level 3B or 4 levels and the symbols of these levels with healing techniques, but later some great masters found more levels and their symbols. Those are added in Grand Mastership level of Usui Reiki. We should be grateful for all the masters. Thank you very much all masters and Dr. Mikao Usui to bless us with Usui Reiki system. For example, the Usui Reiki level 5 symbol is called the Great Harmony, means balance and connection, which is a primary need of all human beings. And the level 6 symbol is called the Great Separation, communication, exchange and exchange of information. They work together like yin and yang and are often inseparable. Both levels can be used for aura clearing, entity removal, space clearing, communication with those who can't communicate, as people from coma, dying or embryo, interdimensional communication, etc. And other levels symbols to work to create a beautiful aura and area for human beings and soul ascension and higher level of healings. Why I should learn the Grand Mastership level, and what is the benefit of this? Usui Reiki Grand Mastership level has the energy of ascension. This level balances the yin and yang. It releases difficult karmic emotions. Forgiveness and gratitude problems become easy now. Short-tempered attitude totally resolved by this level healing. Meditation comes on height. Healing power becomes very strong as a person can heal others by intentions only. That means if you only take intention that that healing energy is flowing upon the certain people on certain situation, so it will prove a very effective way to heal. Self-realization arise. People learn to participate kindness and compassion. Grandmaster level open wisdom channel. This level opens the door of opportunities. Third eye healing becomes easy and effective. Intuition power starts working. All higher vibrations arise. Now you can make a best use of your crystals. Your thoughts can program them. In last, I would love to say, after Grand Mastership level, we create a great understanding with us. We realize that we are a soul being, we are a temple, and soul is the essence of God. This level will create a realization of our true form. This is beyond words experience, I want to say. And practitioners can feel it only. It is like opening love channel inside you for all parts. Grand Mastership Level Effects by Ritu Kaushal. On Grand Mastership level, a person become calm and relaxed. This person now understands the karmic chain so that bliss keeps his or her energy on positive dimensions always. Basic levels are for healing on physical level, mastership level for soul, and grand mastership level is for all bodies and all dimensions with spaces. For a good effect, we need to learn and practice them with great dedication. Only achieving certificate is not sufficient. Practice and faith makes a person grandmaster. As we practice this level, so we develop the qualities of divineness. This divine soul clears her or his path easily and become a living angel on earth. What is the content of this course? By Ritu Kaushal. You will learn powerful meditations to clean and recharge chakra system, manifestation of goals by meditation, healing by meditation, healing past by meditation, energy clearing of all spaces, powerful symbols on each level, crystal grid of Grandmaster, spirit or entity clearing, attunements, manual and certificates, healing techniques, more advanced healing techniques, I would say. All basic Reiki practice methods, knowledge of all symbols and demonstrations, rest as per the student need. This course has great energy of universe to heal and help humanity. Many things learner found after this course in his or her inside or outside world. Ritu Kaushal, Usui Reiki Grandmaster with more courses. To learn this course, please send me email on kaushalreiki@gmail.com. Thank you everyone to give me your precious time. God bless you always. Om Shanti. May all stay with peace, love and kindness. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Thank you.